So, happy morning, guys. Happy to see you all. So, today we are about to discuss Karl Pearson correlation. I hope yesterday we have discussed the formulas and even we have calculated one problem. And today now we are able to do one problem. That is what? This is the problem. I think it is visible on your screen. Can you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So calculate correlation coefficient between heights of father in inches and their sons. Okay. So both there are two variables, father, son. That is x and y. Got it? So as I told early, in correlation there is no frequency. Instead of that, we will compare two. Okay, we will compare two variables. Okay, the conduct comparison, which is to be called as correlation. Comparing two variables, which is to be called as correlation. So we have discussed one increase in petrol will decrease in sales of petrol car. So decrease in diesel. Okay, decrease in diesel. What will happen? Will increase the sales of diesel car, or else decrease in diesel price will what? Decrease the sales of petrol car. Okay, so this is what the correlation between petrol, diesel, even temperature and weather and temperature, right? We have discussed yesterday. During the summer
Yes, sir.
season, consumption of AC will be high. During winter season, consumption of AC will be less. The compare two variables, that is why it is called as correlation. And yesterday we have discussed about Karl Pearson coefficient. Now we are able to do one problems, that is we are going to identify the correlation between father and son height. Okay, got it? Shall we do this problem?
Yes, sir.
I hope you all remember the formula for this problem, right? Have you all remembered
Yes.
formula? Okay. So we are about to discuss Karl Pearson coefficient of correlation. So let me write the formula here. So small r, that represents what? Small r represents what? Small r represents correlation, right? Yes or no? Okay. So what is the formula for correlation? Which is r is equal to small n into sigma xy, right? Minus
Yes, sir. Sigma H.
sigma x into
Sigma y.
sigma y, right? Then divided by, okay, we will make it divided by, okay. Then square root of small n into
Sigma x square.
Sigma H square.
x square
Minus sigma x.
x to the whole square, right? Okay. Sigma x to the whole square, then into
Root.
square root n into sigma y square minus
sigma y
sigma y
y square.
whole square, right? Okay. So this is the formula for what?
Correlation.
Correlation. Karl Pearson correlation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So can you able to? It is easy for you to remember the formula. Don't forward to complete this problem. So square then x square sigma x to the whole square and into sigma y square then minus sigma y square y to the whole square. So this is the problem. So this is the formula for identifying Karl Pearson coefficient of correlation. So let us continue with our problem. So what is our problem? So
Find the
we
height
have to
of all
identify what the heights between fathers and sons. Okay, so let us do this in our Excel sheet. So that is request you people to answer. Okay, you just say me what is the x and what is y. Okay. So x is first 65, 66, 60, sorry, 57, 67, 68, 69, 70, 72. So this is our x. That is father. And this is our y
y.
that we will call as son. 67, then 56, 65, 68, 72, 72, 69, 71. Okay, so this is our x and this is our y. So we are going to find Karl Pearson coefficient of correlation for these two values. Okay. So John Philip sir is entering. So kindly give your greetings. John Philip sir and Suresh sir is here with us. Good morning, John sir. Good morning, Suresh sir.
Sir, good morning, sir. So, John Pradeep sir, வந்துட்டாருங்களா?
So as per the instruction given by Suresh sir and John sir, I request you people to stick on to that. So we will back to our topic. So this is about the x is our father and y is our son's height in inches. So first we need to find what the x square, right? So x square in the sense what 65 into 65, right? We'll be getting
Yes, sir.
x square. Then 66 into 66 square. Then 55 into. So what we are doing, we are finding x square values. Okay. So 68 into 68, then 69 into 69, and then 70 into 70, then 72 into 72. So this is our x square values. Okay, usually there are certain engineers what they will do 65 into 2 due to curiosity, or else just they will rush up. In hurry berry, they will make 65 instead of making 65 into 65. They will just do 65 into 2. Then they will get into the trouble. So this is our x square values, and this is our y square. So y square is equal to what? 67 into 67. That is 4489. Then 56 into 56. Then 65 into 65. Then 68 into 68, 72 into 72, that is 5 184 5184. Then 69 into 69, then 71 into 71. So this is our y square values. Now we need to find x into y. Okay, what is our x? This is our x into y. So that is x into y is we need to multiply 65 into 67, that is 4355. Then 66 into 56, that is 3696. Then 57 into 65, that is 3750. Okay, so just like that we need to we have to multiply between x into y, right? So x into y. So we got all the values. So we need to add what? We need to find what is our formula. I hope you all remember. So that is, we found what? We have found xy values we found. We have x values that when we sum up all the x value, we will get sigma x value, right? Simultaneously, when we sum up all the y, we will get sigma y value. Then we got x square also. X square, that is x into x. We found we need to add all the values of x square. We'll get sigma x square. Then sigma x same repeats here. Okay. So what value we have written here? The same, that will be our sigma x. So that one also we found. Sigma y square also we found. Sigma y the same repeats here. Sigma y the whole square. So small n is what? Small n is our number of items. So how many variables are there? That is our small n. So due to I think we have very less time, so we will continue this problem in next session also.